Hi everyone, Ray here. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first initial deposit on your real account in Binomo, and I'm going to talk about some fees that you need to know about. Remember that there is always a risk of capital loss when trading, so please always trade wisely. Once you create your account, this is what you will see. You will have two accounts. A demo account with 50,000 pesos where you can trade with virtual money, and your real account. Since this is a newly created account, we have zero balance. As you can see down here, you may be given a bonus amount to trade if you deposit on your real account within this time limit. So let's go ahead and deposit. It is okay to deposit immediately even if you are still learning. You don't have to trade your real account immediately, but just so we can get the bonus, let's go ahead and deposit. Remember that it is important for you to only trade money that you can afford to lose. Never use your emergency funds, your child's tuition fee, or money to pay the bills. Let's go ahead and deposit. Select your country and your deposit method. There are several options here. Let us select GCASH. As you can see here, the minimum amount is 500 pesos. But if you want to get the bonus, you can start with 2,400 pesos. Your deposit will vary depending on your initial deposit amount. As you can see here, the bigger the amount you deposit, the bigger the bonus. Let's start small and deposit 2,400 pesos and tick deposit bonus. So my account will have a total of 2,880 pesos. Click deposit. Then just input your GCash number, OTP, password, and there you go. As you can see here, we have the 2,880 pesos in our real account. Let's go to transaction history. So here you can see the details. Now let's go to the dashboard and refresh. Now we can proceed to trade with our real account. Additional things you need to know: Binomo has a subscription fee of $10 per month for inactive accounts. So if you do register and deposit on your real account, make sure to be active at least once every 30 days so you can avoid paying the subscription fee. What is considered active or as trading activity are the following: making a deposit, withdrawing funds, trading on the real account, paid registration for a tournament, crediting the balance of the tournament account, activating bonuses or gifts. You can check this by going to the Binomo website, click on this upper left button, Help Center, search for fees, and here you can see the different fees. There are no withdrawal fees or commissions. There are no deposit fees by Binomo, but as it states here, it is quite the opposite because you get to have bonuses when you deposit. Like when we had a bonus when we first deposited on our real account. However, depending on your payment provider, there may be transfer or conversion fees. So it's just important that you know these types of fees before you create a real account. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn more about Binomo, you can click on this video. And if you want to learn my strategy on how I earn extra profits using the Binomo platform, you can check this video. This is a scalping strategy that so far works for me. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified for more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!